Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 23 of our 30 days of yoga series. So today we will be focusing on balance. We'll be doing another walking balance, and we'll incorporate a little bit of a figure four stretch as we do it. So the only thing you'll need today is your mat. So grab that and we will get started. So we'll start in mountain pose at the top of the mat. The ball of the foot and the heel lift down, lift the arch, lift the toes, and then gently replace the toes back on the mat. Lift the shoulders up and back, coming into mountain pose. We'll start with 3 deep breaths here. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then from here, we'll inhale and bring the arms out and up. On the exhale, you're going to dive forward, leading with the chest. Arms come out and down. Come into a forward fold. Inhale up into a half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. And then you'll bring the hands down to the mat, and we're going to step back to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here, pressing down through the hands and the fingertips, reaching the heels down towards the mat. And then we'll walk the hands back towards the feet, coming into a forward fold at the back of the mat. And then we'll inhale, bring the arms out and all the way up. Palms together. Exhale, hands to your heart, come back to mountain pose. And then release, and we'll just walk to the back of the mat. So we'll be doing a walking balance. So again, just grounding the feet. We'll start on the right leg. So the left foot is going to be planted into the mat. Shift your weight to your right leg. Inhale here. Exhale as you lift the right leg up. And then we're going to cross that right ankle in front of the left knee. Right knee comes out to the side. You can bring your hands to your heart if it helps to balance a little better. Coming into a little figure four stretch, getting into the hip a little bit. If you want to bend the left foot or the left knee, you can. And then we'll straighten the left leg, rebend the right leg, and then step forward. Come into the ball of the left foot, reground the right foot, and then we'll lift the left leg up. And then cross the left ankle in front of the right knee. Coming back to our figure four stretch. It may help if you find something in front of you to focus on, preferably something that's not moving, because if it moves, you're going to move as well. And then bringing the left knee back up, extend, walk forward, come into the ball of the right foot, reground the left foot, and then lift the right leg up. And then cross the ankle in front of the left knee. Coming back to your figure four stretch. And then lifting the right leg back up, straightening the left leg. Extend the right leg, step forward. Come into the ball of the left foot. Ground into the right foot. Lift the left leg up. And then cross the ankle in front of the knee. And then lifting the left leg, extending the left leg, and stepping forward. Coming to the top of the mat, back into mountain pose. We'll do that all again. So starting back with our half sun salutation. Inhale as we bring the arms up. Exhale as we dive forward. Forward fold. Inhale into a half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. And then putting the hands on the mat, stepping the feet back to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. And then walking the hands back. Coming back into a forward fold at the back of the mat. And then inhale, bring the arms out and up. Palms together. Exhale, hands down to your heart. Release the hands and just take a step back if you're not already at the back of the mat. We're going to repeat that figure 4 walking balance to the front again. This time we'll start on the left leg. So we'll ground the right foot into the mat. Inhale here. Exhale as you lift the left leg. And then we'll cross it over the right knee. Hands can be to your heart. And then lifting the left leg up. Extend, walk forward. We'll ground the weight into the left leg. Lift the right leg up. Cross the ankle in front of the left. Open the knee to the right. And then reach the right knee up. Extend, step forward. One more time on each side, grounding into the right foot, lifting the left leg up. And then crossing the ankle in front of the knee. Remember, it's okay if you find yourself wobbling, you find the ankle is working hard to keep you stable. You may fall a few times, it's okay. Remember that this is a practice, we are not perfect. And then lift the left knee. Extend and walk forward. Last time, lifting the right leg. Crossing the ankle in front of the knee. Lifting the right leg up. Extend and come back to the top of the mat. And then we'll release the hands down. Lift the shoulders up and back. Coming back to our mountain pose. And we're just going to end with our 3 breaths. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Bring the palms together at your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today for our practice. I will see you guys in my next video. Namaste.